Welcome to Lightning Proxies. In this video, we will show you how to set up Lightning Proxies with AdsPower. First, open the AdsPower app. From the main dashboard, click on New Profile, give your profile a name, and adjust your profile settings. Then, scroll down to the Proxy section. Next, log into your Lightning Proxies dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Generator, select your preferred proxy plan, and click Generate. Within the plan settings, customize your targeting options. You can select ISP or country targeting, choose between sticky or rotating proxies, and adjust any additional settings as needed. Once you're done, click Save Settings, then copy the host, port, username, and password. Return to the AdsPower app, change the proxy type to HTTP, and paste the host. The other proxy details will be filled in automatically. Click Check Proxy, and if you see a green message, your proxy is active and ready to use. Click OK and run the profile. And that's it. Thank you for watching and enjoy using Lightning Proxies.